You're watching Let the Quran Speak, and now we're answering your questions. If you have a question, visit our website, QuranSpeaks.com. Dr. Shabir, the question is, what does Islam say about the location of Jannah? Scholar J. Richard Middleton claims that Jannah is earth restored. Does Islam say anything about this subject?
Yeah.
So Jannah is paradise.
Yes. Richard Middleton is an accomplished scholar, so I wouldn't, counter anything he says. And he is obviously speaking from within the faith perspective of a Christian, his particular interpretation of the Bible leading to that conclusion. But from a Muslim point of view, no, it wouldn't be just this earth restored. There are references in the Quran to the earth becoming renewed, but this would not be the locus of paradise that is promised in the Quran. The paradise that is promised in the Quran is ethereal. It's like out of this world. It is something more of a spiritual experience that is described in physical terms. The Quran goes into great detail about things that will be eaten, the clothing that will be worn, houses that will be dwelt in, more like castles, and the jewelry that people will wear, the pearls, and so on. So they're all described in physical terms. But nowadays we're coming more to understand how a pleasure can be received without there being actual physical surroundings. One can be in a virtual world, for example, and enjoy some pleasures by just simply being in a virtual world. So how that world will be, that is not so clear to us. But to say that it will all be in this world, this is not the Muslim dream. And in fact, it seems that there are some difficulties with having it in this world. We have to imagine that all of the people from the time of Adam all the way down, all humans who have ever existed and have now died, all of them will be resurrected and be alive right here on this earth. So
I never thought of that before.
Yes, I mean, there are already some discussions about the possibility of overpopulation in some parts of the world. Mm-hmm. But now if we resurrect everybody who has been long dead for millions of years, then the world would be a very small place then for all of these people. So the Muslim idea is that we will escape from this world with all of its toils and difficulties and physical limitations, and we will be in a world in which we can experience limitless pleasure. And that, of course, is what we pray for and hope for. And we ask God to grant this to us and lead other people, especially through us, towards that eventual land of bliss.
We'll leave it at that. Thank you, Dr. Shabir.
You're welcome.
Assalamu alaikum. We have some exciting news to share with you.
As you know, Let the Quran Speak has been on TV screens and social media for 22 years.
We've been reaching people all around the world, spreading positivity and good, and helping people experience the beauty of Islam and the accomplishments of Muslims.
We've been shooting in this very space for the past 2 decades.
And now, with the help of Allah, we're about to get the keys to Muslim Media Hub.
If you like what we're doing, you're gonna love Muslim Media Hub even more.
Because it's the next step up.
Think new TV shows, podcasts, social media content, and film.
We'll have new talent, more youth, and a lot more space and resources to do what we love. Spread the message of Allah.
Our Muslim Media Hub costs $2.4 million.
And for that, we need to raise $300,000. Please give whatever you can. Every dollar counts.
It's our collective responsibility to share the message of Islam with our fellow human beings. Please help establish Muslim Media Hub so we can do this.
It's a sadaqah jariyah, something that will continue to be of benefit to the Muslim community long after we are gone.
Thank you, and may Allah bless you and your loved ones today and always.
Assalamu alaikum.